Yes, have you completed? Ali Hassan, Bhavya, have you completed?
No, teacher.
Okay. Okay, we'll do one thing. Have you note down the question? Have you written all the regions in your notebook?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so take it as a homework. Okay, you have to complete it after this lecture, and you will take the picture and you will send it by WhatsApp.
Voice is not.
Yes,
Your voice is not coming.
Ali Hassan, can you hear?
Yes, teacher.
Kedar, maybe some network issue in your area. Okay, so what will you do now? Just note down all the regions in your notebook. After this lecture, you will find out which type of houses are present in each the region and what are the shapes. Clear?
Your screen will not looking.
Is it clear? So you have to send me this after the lecture. Clear?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So we'll see. In different regions, the houses constructed are also in different way. Okay, where it is heavy region of heavy rainfall, there we can see the roof is, we can see sloping roof. Okay, it's because it stopped the collection of water या water logging on the roof. छत में जो पानी भर जाता है, इससे वो sloping roof में what will happen? The water will come down. So water will not log on the roof. Clear? Okay. When you go to desert, see here desert region. So what is desert region? Desert region means, who will say what is desert region?
Registan.
Yes, there they will not get enough rain. Okay, so वैसे जगह पे how the house is constructed? See, if you see the region in heavy rainfall, अगर heavy rainfall में देखेगा तो the roof is constructed by which material is used to construct the roof?
The tiles.
Tiles, cement. Okay, all these materials are used in heavy rainfall region. But when you observe desert region, how the roof is constructed, yeah, which material is used?
It's a mud.
Okay, mud. In some places mud is used. Then
Garage.
hay, that is a proper word. Okay, hay. So why they have used mud instead of using tiles? What mud will do?
Cool the place.
So what mud will do?
Mud cool the place.
Cool the place. Very good. Mud will cool the place. Okay. So in desert region, for the construction of houses, they will use such material which will cool the place. Okay. Which will provide coolness inside the house. Clear? So understood why in different regions we can see different types of houses. It is depend on the climate of that region. So एक एक रीजन में जो क्लाइमेट है उसके हिसाब से उधर घर बनाया जाता है. क्लियर? Yes, children, is it clear?
Yes.
So why there are different types of houses in different regions? Who will tell me the answer?
Because the environmental.
Because in different regions the climate is different. So depending on the climate, the construction of houses will also differ. Okay. Now, do you know in India there are still a large number of people, those who don't have houses, those who are homeless. Have you seen such people? Have you seen such people in your area?
Yes.
So where they will find shelter? Those who are homeless, where they will find shelter?
The footpath.
Footpath. Okay, then where else?
And roads.
Roadside. Then
Train station, bus stop.
yes, stations, bus stop. Yes, very good. So we know that still there are large number of people, those who are homeless. Homeless means they don't have home. So they will find shelter along a roadside, footpaths, stations, bus stops. Okay, all this area they will find shelter. So what could be the reason why they are homeless? Why they don't have home? What do you think? What could be the reason?
They have no money. Climate changes.
Okay. Yes, one reason may be they don't have enough money to build a house. Okay, then what could be the reason? One reason, yes, maybe they don't have enough money. Yes, Bhavya. Yes.
Environment changes.
Environmental changes. Okay. Then can you see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so can you read one by one?
teacher, वही दिख रहा है टेबल.
टेबल दिख रहा है? Wait, I will share it once again.
सब भी दिख रहा है.
अभी दिख रहा है?
No, teacher.
1 second. Okay, now.
No, teacher.
No? Wait, it will come. Okay. So why people become homeless? Okay. So first reason, it is lack of affordable housing. Lack of affordable housing matlab? Who can explain lack of affordable housing? Okay. Yes. They can't afford or they don't have enough money to build a house. Okay. Now next reason, inadequate income. Inadequate income matlab?
ज़्यादा income नहीं है.
ज़्यादा income नहीं. Inadequate income matlab they don't, means see, if you have a proper job, every month you will get a salary. ओके अगर प्रॉपर जॉब नहीं है, यू विल नॉट गेट सैलरी एवरी मंथ, तो उधर एक प्रॉपर इनकम नहीं है. क्लियर? क्लियर मीन्स आपको जो इनकम मिल रहा है वो प्रॉपरली नहीं मिल रहा, मीन्स यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एवरी मंथ ए प्रॉपर सैलरी. जब जॉब है तभी पैसा मिलेगा, दैट इज इनएडिक्वेट इनकम. ओके मीन्स यू डोंट हैव insufficient income. Clear, Ali Hassan? Bhavya, is it clear? Am I audible?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Now poverty. What is meant by poverty? Who will tell me? The another reason is poverty. So what is poverty?
Teacher, garib.
Garibi. Yes, poverty. So poverty is the another reason why people are homeless. The next is unemployment. Unemployment means
Job nahi hai.
job nahi hai, jobless, because of they don't have a proper job. They are not able to build a house. Then natural disasters.
Environment changes.
Yes, natural disasters. Can you give examples for natural disasters?
Flood.
Flood. Yes, जिनको home घर है, after any of natural disaster, there is a chance of losing their home, losing their house. Flood, earthquake में सब क्या होता है? We will lose our home. Okay, so that is another reason. Then physical and mental disorders. Physical and mental disorders means?
जिसके हाथ पैर नहीं है.
Okay, हाथ पैर नहीं है. Then means mentally they are not okay. Okay, so ये reason से भी they are not able to build a house. So these are the reasons why people become homeless. Can you read any 3 points, Ali Hassan? Why people become homeless?
Yes. Unemployment,
Okay.
natural disaster, and poverty.
Unemployment, poverty. Yes. So you have read natural disasters, poverty, unemployment. Okay. Bhavya, you please read the remaining points. Yes, Bhavya. Bhavya, are you there? Okay, he is not responding. So, Ali Hassan, you please continue with the remaining points.
Yes, teacher. Lack of affordable housing, physical and mental disorders, inadequate income.
Okay, so these are the reasons why people become homeless. Okay. Now, so now we understood there are different types of houses. What is the purpose of a house? How house helps us? Then why in different regions we can see different types of houses. Okay, we have learned about this. Now tell me, what are the things? See, 1 second. In your textbook, take page number 54. See, 54, you can see one table where it is given. So, what are the materials we required to build a house? What are the materials?
Teacher, bricks, cement, iron, wood, water, rubble,
Okay, okay,
glass.
1 second. So can you tell me from where we will get bricks?
Teacher, from red sand.
From, okay, from red soil. Okay, so bricks will get from soil. So the original source of bricks are soil. Okay, okay, and cement.
Teacher, limestone.
Limestone. Okay, very good. Iron. Iron from iron ore. Okay, iron from iron ore. O-R-E. Iron from where you will get iron?
Iron ore.
Ore. Okay. Then wood.
Teacher, trees.
Wood means wood will get from trees. Okay. Ore means it is a solid material. Okay. From this solid material, we will get the substances. So iron will get it from iron ore. O-R-E. Clear? So from that solid material, we will get this iron. Okay. Now water.
Teacher, from rain.
Water from rain.
Rain.
Okay. And wood?
Teacher, from tree.
Okay. Now, from where we'll get rubble? Rubble means fragments of stone brick. ये stone brick का सब टुकड़ा. Okay, fragments, small pieces. So, from where we'll get rubble? From where we get brick?
Teacher, soil.
Soil. So, rubble also we get it from rubble?
Teacher, soil.
Soil. Very good. Then glass. Sand. Very good. Then floor tiles. Floor
Glass.
Floor tile will get it from sand or clay. Okay, from clay. Clay, you know what is clay?
Yes.
Okay, so floor tiles will get it from clay and fine sand. Okay, then sand. From where we'll get sand? Where you can see sand?
Teacher, sea beach.
Yes, river. Okay, on the seashore we can see sand. Now roof tiles. Floor tiles.
From soil.
From soil. Very good. Then tin sheets. Tin sheets same like iron ore. From iron ore we'll get iron, and from tin ore we'll get tin sheets. Okay, from tin ore we'll get tin sheets. So all these are the things. All these are the things which are required to construct a home. Okay. So, and we understood these materials are available from which sources. Okay. Now, how, 1 second. Okay. So, now we understood what are the materials required for the construction of a house. Now, we know that every day, population of India is increasing. India's population is increasing. What is population?
Teacher, people.
People, number of people. So number of people, they are increasing day by day. So to build house for every person, what we have to do, what they have to do?
To make house.
Yes, they have to make house. So is there enough place in India?
No, teacher.
So how they are making land to build house? What they are doing? What they are doing to get land to build houses?
So they cut tree.
Yes, first they are cutting trees. Okay, they are cutting the trees. Another thing, they are reclaiming land. Reclaiming land means jidhar pani hai, they are filling the land. Okay, they are filling the water and they are making land. Reclaiming land means jidhar sea hai, river hai, they are filling that water with soil and they are making land over there. That is reclaiming land. Clear? जिधर जिधर water bodies है उधर they are making land. वो पानी को soil डाल के they are making land. Okay, that is known as reclaiming land. Because population बढ़ रहा है तो इतना land तो इंडिया में नहीं है. So what they are doing? Main they are cutting trees. They are reclaiming land. Okay. So all these are what? All these are natural resources. Water is a natural resource. Trees are natural resource. So to build houses in large numbers, what people are doing? They are using natural resources. Okay. The natural resources use किया तो क्या होएगा? How it will affect our life?
Teacher, there will no oxygen.
Yes, availability oxygen will be less. Then what will happen?
The animals were dead.
Yes, yes. Then
the water animals was die.
See, if enough land is not there, can we grow crops?
No, teacher.
So will not get food also. Isn't it? So actual में क्या हो रहा है? Human के लिए घर बनाने के लिए environment को बर्बाद कर रहा है, which in turn will affect human life only. Understood? Understood? Yeah. What did you understand? क्या समझ में आया?
ट्री काट देंगे तो फिर फूड नहीं मिलेगा और ऑक्सीजन भी नहीं मिलेगा और एनिमल्स डाई होगी.
हाँ, तो ह्यूमन क्या कर रहा है? ह्यूमन का लाइफ बेटर होने के लिए एनवायरनमेंट को बर्बाद कर रहा है एंड इन टर्न क्या कर रहा है? सच में वो लोग क्या कर रहा है?
एनवायरनमेंट को खराब कर रहा है.
हाँ, एनवायरनमेंट को खराब किया तो किसके लाइफ इफेक्ट होएगा?
ह्यूमंस के लाइफ पे
इफेक्ट होएगा. यस. So, but they are not thinking. Okay, and see, ये sand सब मिलने के लिए what they are doing? They are quarrying. Quarrying देखा है आपने? देखो ये पिक्चर में, see ये पिक्चर में quarrying दिख रहा है. Using one machine, what they are doing? They are extracting sand. किधर देखा है? Yes, Ali Hassan.
No, teacher.
Okay, so quarrying is a process to extract the sand. Not only sand, जो भी materials चाहिए वो सब extract करने का procedure है quarrying. So this quarrying ये सब they are disturbing the environment. Okay, ऐसे सब करने से क्या होता है? Environment को disturb कर रहा है. Okay, और हमें from where does we get energy?
Natural fuels.
Yes, natural fuels like coal, natural gas. ये सब इधर हमें क्या मिलता है, एनर्जी मिलता है. Okay, so it is produced using natural fuels like coal, natural gas, then mineral oil. So these natural fuels can be used only once. ये natural fuels सब हम लोग एक ही बार यूज कर सकते हैं. Okay, हम लोग ज्यादा यूज किया तो क्या होएगा, when we consume it more, it will get finished. Okay, और वैसा भी when we burn these fuels, it leads to air pollution. Okay, तो घर बनाने के लिए we need energy. तो ये एनर्जी सब किधर से मिलता है, बाय बर्निंग द नेचुरल फ्यूल्स. लेकिन ये नेचुरल फ्यूल्स बर्न करने से क्या हो रहा है,
एयर पोल्यूशन.
एयर पोल्यूशन हो रहा है. सो एक तो घर बनाने के लिए वी नीड मोर प्लेस, सो वी आर कटिंग ट्रीज, वी आर रिक्लेमिंग द लैंड, एंड अनदर थिंग वी नीड एनर्जी. सो वो एनर्जी के लिए सब क्या चाहिए, वी नीड टू बर्न नेचुरल फ्यूल. तो वो नेचुरल फ्यूल बर्न होने से क्या होता है, इट लीड्स टू एयर पोल्यूशन. Okay, so what we have to do, we need to construct eco-friendly houses. So what is meant by eco-friendly houses? Any idea?
What is mud houses?
Huh?
Not chemical houses.
Eco-friendly houses means जो environment से friendly है, जो environment को will not cause any harm. ओके, तो इको फ्रेंडली हाउसेस होने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए, सी दिस आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. मिनिमम कंजम्पशन ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस. अगर हाउस बना रहा है तो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस थोड़ा ही यूज करो. ओके, मिनिमम कंजम्पशन ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस. देन यूज ऑफ नॉन एग्जॉस्टेबल सोर्सेस. यूज ऑफ नॉन एग्जॉस्टेबल सोर्सेस मतलब जो जल्दी खत्म नहीं होएगा, मीन्स जो हम रिन्यू कर सकते हैं वैसा सोर्सेस यूज करो. ओके, सो फर्स्ट यूज ओनली मिनिमम नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस, देन यूज नॉन एग्जॉस्टेबल सोर्सेस, देन रिसाइकलिंग ऑफ वाटर. जो भी वाटर यूज कर रहा है वो रिसाइकल करके फिर भी यूज करो. क्लियर? Recycling of water, then recycling of garbage. Garbage means what? Garbage कचरा. वो कचरे का रिसाइकलिंग करो एंड कुछ तो यूजफुल काम के लिए यूज करो. ओके, सो रिसाइकलिंग ऑफ गार्बेज, देन अवॉइडिंग आर्टिफिशियल मटेरियल्स एंड आर्टिफिशियल कलर्स. ओके, when you're constructing house, avoid artificial materials and artificial colors. Okay, then provision for natural light and ventilation. ऐसा घर बनाओ जिधर natural light मिले, and ventilation. Ventilation means
हवा.
Yes, air passage. Okay, so these are the characteristics of eco-friendly houses. तो ऐसा हाउसेस बनाने से हमें क्या मिलेगा, वी कैन सेव आवर एनवायरमेंट. ओके, वी कैन सेव आवर एनवायरमेंट एंड वी कैन सेव आवर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस. सो क्या क्या है, व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ इको फ्रेंडली हाउसेस?
नेचुरल कलर्स.
हाँ, अवॉइड आर्टिफिशियल कलर्स एंड आर्टिफिशियल मटेरियल्स. ओके, वेरी गुड. देन
sunlight.
Yes, sunlight. Proper sunlight मिले वैसा you have to construct your house where proper sunlight and ventilation is proper. Okay, then okay, so these are the characteristics of a eco-friendly house. Now I will show you. In some places such as Europe, you can see underwater shelters also. Picture दिख रहा है? These houses are made under water. Have you seen it? नहीं दिख रहा है?
दिख रहा है दिख रहा है
दिख रहा है. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so these are underwater shelters, जो पानी के अंदर बनाया हुआ घर है. ये किधर दिखेगा? You can see in Europe. आपने टीवी पे देखा है ऐसा हाउसेस?
यस टीचर.
Okay, यूरोप एंड नॉर्थ अमेरिका में you can see such underwater shelters. Okay, so ये water tourism है. Water tourism. Okay, means ऐसे if we stay in such shelters, we can get a direct view of the sea. ऐसे shelters में हम लोग रहेगा तो we can see direct view. We will get direct view of the sea. Under sea में क्या क्या है, जो भी लाइफ है, मीन्स जो भी क्रीचर्स है, एक्वाटिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स है, वो सब हमें डायरेक्टली देखने को मिलेगा. ओके, सो दिस इज अंडर वाटर शेल्टर्स. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव लर्न टुडे, क्या क्या डिस्कस किया हम लोग ने? About house, different types of house and how it differ according to the regions. एक एक region में houses क्यों differ होता है, क्या क्या materials, what are the materials used to construct a house. Okay, then we discussed about how this construction of houses leads to environmental pollution, how it leads to air pollution. Okay, and last we discussed about underwater shelters. Okay, and now read this paragraph. Always remember,
even though are so many different type of house, everyone is attached to their own house. It is not only the walls and doors, window and the roofs that make up a house. It is the people who live in that house and their love and affection for one another turn a house into home.
So what did you understand from this?
ये हाउस में सिर्फ रूफ नहीं रहती, विंडोज नहीं रहती, डोर नहीं रहती,
तो क्या
लव एंड अफेक्शन.
यस, और देखो सिर्फ डोर विंडोज रूफ से घर नहीं बनता. घर होने के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? क्या होना चाहिए? लव एंड अफेक्शन. You have to love your parents. You have to love each member in your house to make a home. Okay, वो house home कैसे बनता है? When there is love and affection. When you love each and every member in your house. Clear? Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Is there any doubt?
No, teacher.